Good morning friends. Today we are making a chocolate cake and you can see the batter. I have prepared it. You can download recipe from YouTube or internet. Now I have closed the pot lid and you can see I have closed the lid of the solar cooker Surya 12 and it is 11:30. We will make it from 11:30 to 3 p.m. latter half of this day. Friends, we are cooking chocolate cake. It is almost 3 p.m. and we are opening it. This is the chocolate cake. We have kept it at 11:30. Wow! Just look at the flavor, and it is fully cooked. I will show you. You can